right?
No.
But it works.
Maybe, but without proper formatting, you'll make mistakes later on because you can't read your own code. Formatting in now can help a lot.
Okay, fine. Teach me, please.
Alright, so where are your drivetrain controls?
Right there. What do you think?
What are the variables A and B for?
The drivetrain.
Right, but the names could be a lot more descriptive. What did they do?
I forgot, man. I wrote this code a few hours ago.
If your code is well organized, then you or I should be able to understand it without having to think about it too much. Some variables you might want in your drivetrain control to make it more readable are one for each of the relevant joystick positions, and one for the updated velocity or voltage you want to set each motor to. You could have more or less, but let's start there.
Okay.
Also, the variables A and B were both only used in one function, so they had no business being global variables. Only use global variables when their data needs to be accessed or changed across multiple functions. Otherwise, they're only adding clutter and confusion.
What was that earlier about how the names could be more descriptive?
Oh, that's really simple. Just name the variables what they are. For example, unless you're in a rush to code, don't call the updated voltage to the left drivetrain motors L or B, call it voltage to left motors, or something along those lines. You shouldn't even need to specify that you're talking about the left drivetrain motors if it's a local variable that exists only in the drivetrain control function. Motor 1 and motor 2 need to be named things like back left and back right. Once you start using functions, name those descriptively as well.
Alright.
Marcus, get over here. Your team needs you. The drive isn't working.
Damn Mechanism drive!
Hey, how's it going? You look like you need some help with your code, right?
I'm doing perfectly fine.
But you were doing that. I don't think so. What is this formatting?
No, I was
based on your code, man.
I thought M2 spaces were useless.
No, it improves your readability just based on your code.
My team doesn't even use spaces on our robot.
Can confirm.
Yeah, anyways, I will go. It's based on your code, man.
Alright.
Well, just put them between things that do different things, like such as here. And even though you aren't coding with Python, you still need to do the indents for you to be able to tell which line of code is in which function, so, you know?
Alright, I see.
Yeah, so now watch when I space out your code. You see? It increases the readability.
Yeah, I think I can see better now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries.
Oh, excuse me, with the phone call. Hey, Christian, was das Schweiz-Problem? Oh,
I sense an alarming shortage of header files. Header files? What's that? What? Make header files for all of your code files. Okay.
Okay, so put your stuff in a namespace so you can separate it from other namespaces.
Why?
So that you can use functions and variables shared between files.
Alright.
Now use a global header file to sort your header files.
What does that do?
It makes it easier to sort all of your header files so you can find all your header files in the global header file and differentiate them from all the vex built-in ones.
Got it.
Now make one header file for each code file and define all the stuff you use in the code there.
That makes sense.
Put all the stuff you want to be able to use in other files in there.
Why do I need to use functions and variables in other files?
So you can sort all your code better and you don't want to end up scrolling for 3 years to find one function.
That's nice.
Okay, cool. Also remember to just annotate the header files.
Alright, I'll do that right now. Thank you so much, Alvin. Alvin? Whatever. Woo! That took a while, but I think my code looks kind of better now. Hold on.
Here comes socks.
What? Why? Why? What's happening to you? Comments? Why did I do these comments? What's up with comments?
Whoa, hold on a second. What are you guys doing? You can't be roughhousing in this class, you know.
I'm not using comments.
Oh, yeah, carry on.
Oh my god! They don't even do anything! Why did I have to do these comments? My only alternative now is block code. Now, I will never have to worry about formatting again. Just need this update to be finished. Frick.